Gusto mo bang sumubok ng ibang network pero hassle magpalit ng bagong number? It's all about to change. Mula ngayon, ang mobile number mo, permanente na. Ito ang konsepto ng Mobile Number Portability o MNP. Isang proseso kung saan pwede kang magpalit ng network nang hindi kailangan magpalit ng mobile number. Porting out and porting in. Porting out ang pag-alis sa dating service provider mo. Porting in naman ang paglipat sa ibang network na mapipili mo. Sa pamamaraang ito, hindi mapapalitan ang number mo. Alinsunod ito sa Republic Act 11202 o Mobile Number Portability Act. First ever ito sa Pilipinas. Hindi lang yan. Applicable rin ang serbisyong ito kung ikaw ay lilipat mula prepaid patungong postpaid at vice versa. At ang pinakamaganda, wala kang babayaran pag nag-avail ng services na ito. To make this happen, DITO, Globe, and Smart, the country's major telecom operators have joined forces to put up the Telecommunications Connectivity Incorporated para maayos na maipatupad ang number porting services.
The entire telco industry and the Philippine government are pushing forward with the same goal of providing Filipinos with better telco services. Aside from encouraging healthier competition amongst the players, MNP also grants Filipinos the freedom to switch to their preferred mobile service provider seamlessly and conveniently, na walang alinlangan.
But first, telcos need an expert to supervise this complex task. Hindi madaling ikonekta ang system ng tatlong malalaking mobile operators. An expert in the field of mobile phone portability is needed. Through a rigorous evaluation process, Cineverse was chosen to be the mobile number portability service provider. A worldwide name in technology services, Cineverse brought in technical infrastructure, innovative software, and expert service to ensure a smooth implementation of the mobile number porting services. The technology that Cineverse brought to more advanced countries, ganun din ang gagawin nila dito sa Pilipinas.
Kailan nga ba ito masisimulan?
Well, we're almost there.
Mobile number portability is a complex process. Not only we need to adapt it in our system, but we need to integrate it with the networks of our competitors. MNP involves close coordination with the other telcos to build a system and how the system will react to provide a good customer service. It took us 22 months to build MNP, upgrade the system, integrate with an MNP service provider, and do testing with the other telcos. We also studied how other countries implemented mobile number portability and how we can adopt that in the Philippines. We also need to consider pandemic situation and how we will adapt under such circumstances. We have involved the best people in our organizations in this project. A lot of brainstorming happened and testing and developing all possible scenarios that can happen in MNP. And finally, after 22 months, we can finally say that we are now ready to provide mobile number portability in the Philippines.
This September, the full commercial launch of the mobile number portability has been set. Maaari na mag-port out sa service provider mo para lumipat o mag-port in sa ibang network gamit ang same number mo.
We want to make sure that we can give the best solutions and services to the Filipino people. Gusto nating pagaanin ang buhay at pasimplihan ang proseso para sa bawat telco subscriber. By giving them the power of choice, through mobile number portability, we are empowering our customers to pursue their passions and purpose. Ang DITO, Globe at Smart ay katuwang ng ating gobyerno upang palakasin ang telco industry sa Pilipinas.
Para makapag-avail ng serbisyong ito, ang mga subscriber ng DITO, Globe at Smart ay kinakailangang sumailalim sa eligibility check. Once your account has been cleared, mag-request ng 9-digit unique subscriber code para makaport out sa service provider mo at lumipat o mag-port in sa ibang network gamit ang same number mo. DITO, Globe and Smart invested 120 million pesos to the mobile number portability project in full support of the government's MNP law. It is also a testament to the telco industry's commitment to bring in global best practices and provide world-class telecommunication services to Filipinos. All these with a goal of enhancing telecommunication services for nation building.